Hey guys, I'm BadMark, and today we're going to focus on name tag secrets, and we're going to focus on Easter eggs only. So this is going to be a short video with a lot of information. Behind me I have 4 command blocks with chests that are going to help us demonstrate. So in the chest we're going to have a name tag, and in the command block we're going to have a summon command. The first secret is Dinnerbone Grumm. If you name a mob Dinnerbone or Grumm, it will turn upside down. Now let's switch to Bedrock Edition for a while, because in Bedrock Edition and in Pocket Edition Minecraft, you can pretty much change your name to anything without signing in. So this is what we're gonna do, and let's see what happens to us when we are like this. And we are upside down, so it works on your name as well if you're called Dinnerbone or Grumm. Being upside down has no effect on your point of view, other than you being upside down, of course, but you can just play the game normally. It's almost the same. There's a slight difference when you're not holding anything. You can see your other arm. The next name tag Easter egg is the rainbow sheep. If you name a sheep Jab, it will cycle through all of its 16 wool colors with interpolation, so it's pretty much going to be a smooth transition. And we're going to switch into Bedrock Edition again, because when you shear the name tag, the leftover wool of the sheep in Bedrock Edition is going to be still rainbow. By the way, when sheared, the sheep will still drop the original wool color regardless of the color it is on right now. There's also an Easter egg when naming bunnies. For this you can take a name tag with the name Toast and name any rabbit with it, and it's going to change the texture of it. As you can see here, we have actually a special rabbit, which is the killer bunny. Now, in case you don't know what the killer bunny does, watch until the end of the video and I will show you. It's very dangerous, and they keep spawning. Look, just one of the rabbits spawned 2 more. And to control the rabbit population problem, we can summon a vindicator and give him the name tag Johnny. This will make him pull out an axe and become hostile towards everything except other villagers and ghasts. Looks like this guy needs a little bit of a push, and here we go. It's hostile towards everything, and the rabbits don't even have a chance to fight back. Now this is actually achievable with commands as well. So here we have the summon command for the vindicator. We can just add curly brackets with the tag Johnny in it and set it to 1B. This is going to have the exact same effect, but I've noticed that when you do it with this command, it doesn't pull out an axe. So in that case, you would have to give it an axe with another command if you really want to, or you could give it another weapon of your choice. But the cool thing is that you can use other name tags, so you can make it upside down at the same time as making it hostile. And as promised, here's what the killer bunny is going to do, regardless if it is toast or not. It's gonna attack you and it deals a lot of damage. Fortunately, I have so many hearts that it doesn't matter. But I need these hearts for another video, so I'm gonna switch back to creative mode before it kills me. There's also a skeleton with a bone in its mouth. If you're interested in making that, go to my channel, BadMarkMC. The video is there. It's about items you can put on your head. And that's that. These are all of the Easter eggs and secrets that are in Minecraft that are related to name tags. Now I haven't included any extra information, any trivia information. If you're interested in that, read the wiki. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.